Okay, let's make some labels. The first thing I did was I looked up vines because I know I wanted to have that as my accent decoration on my labels. You look up what you want. But then I realized I wanted like a eucalyptus vibe type of vine, so I typed that instead. And I also made sure that I went back and typed back transparent because you need a transparent background for this to work. Once I found one that I liked, preferably one that had that right angle, I went ahead and saved it so that I can go ahead and go to PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, I opened a blank slide and deleted any text boxes so that I can go over to shapes. I want the shape that has the square outline, so not just the square, but it looks like a donut square. And so then I'm going to adjust that to the size that I wanted. I wanted this to be about 5 inches wide, 2 inches tall, because that's how my containers are. And so I went ahead and adjusted it to size, and then you can actually adjust the thickness of the outline as well. And then I'm going to turn that black. Once here, I am going to go ahead and insert that picture of the vines that we got earlier and place that in the corner and rotate it as I want it. And then when I looked at it, I said, you know what? I kind of want these borders to be thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. So I went ahead and adjusted the thickness of the width again of the borders of the outlines. And now we can enter our text boxes for our labels to say what we wanted. One of my boxes says pencils, so I wrote pencils and picked the font that I want. And then what you're going to do is select all and duplicate. This is easier to do on a computer, but if you're on an iOS like I am, you would have to select all and duplicate. And then you can go ahead and change the other labels for whatever you want them to say, whatever you need them for. To make more, we're going to duplicate the entire slide and do the same thing. Just change out what you want your labels to say. By the way, the font that I'm using is called My Sweet Farmhouse. I believe I got this from fontspace.com. Once you have all the labels you need, it's never a bad idea to also create some blank ones, just in case you want to use some impromptu ones while you're in the classroom. You don't have time to go to your printer. At least you can just use a Sharpie and write in the label. So I like to create some blank ones. And when I'm done and I'm satisfied, I'm going to go ahead and print these, laminate them, cut them out, and they will be ready to use. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!